Hi, in this lesson, we are looking at how we can take advantage of our moving average and our Bollinger Band. The setup for this moving average is moving average 25. The shift is 0, the method is exponential, and you apply it to close. While the second moving average is a moving average 10. The method is exponential and you apply it to close. You choose any color of your choice. While the third is a Bollinger Band. The period is 130, deviation is 2.0. You apply it to close. And if you have done that, your chart will be looking exactly like the way my chart is looking. Now, how do we take advantage of this in order to find our entry? One thing I want to emphasize on in this lesson is never you trade against the moving average 10 and 25 and as well as the middle Bollinger Band. So the most important thing you want to consider as far as this video is concerned is the middle Bollinger Band. Now, one scenario is not enough for you to justify this. Remember that trading is a probability in such a way that for you to be able to justify a strategy, you need to have carried out a series of backtesting. And I am putting up to you that as far as this strategy is concerned, you can justify it with just at least 10 trades. Take 10 trades, and in those your 10 trades, all the number of trades you need for it to play out in your favor is just 4. If 4 trades can play out and 6 go against you, you will still end up in profit, having applied all the necessary things that you need to do. Now, what are we saying? When we have our Bollinger Band, anytime price leaves the lower Bollinger Band, price is being rejected from the lower Bollinger Band, the next target of the movement is the middle Bollinger Band. So anytime, one of the reasons you see price hanging and playing around Bollinger Band is because the Bollinger Band more or less attract price to itself. You can see it in such scenario. So price leave here, it comes to the middle Bollinger Band. When it comes to the middle Bollinger Band, if price is able to break the middle Bollinger Band and it retests the middle Bollinger Band, was rejected for the second time, it is going to the upper Bollinger Band. And you can see that here price went, came back, and it continued. And you can see that price is above the middle Bollinger Band. So what I want to say in essence is, anytime price is above the middle Bollinger Band, please look for opportunity to buy. Don't be looking for opportunity to sell. Price cannot be above here and you'll be looking for a sell. You can see this scenario. Since price have been up here for how many days now? These are period separators for days. For how many days price is still in this upside? So this thing is simple and easy. What is your responsibility? Anytime you see price pulling down, you carry your trend line. You mark it this way because you are looking for opportunity to buy. When price break out of this and price close above your Bollinger Band, you can see that engulfing candle here. You can see this particular engulfing candle. Price close above your Bollinger Band. Sorry, above this trend line you put. You make your entry. Your stop loss is below here. You see that particular one plays out. Here is another scenario. Price is now pulling back to our middle Bollinger Band. Is it not? Price pull down here. It break out. It's above these things. You make your entry. Can you see? So you can keep doing this on and on and on and on. Do you look at this? Don't be in a haste to look for a reversal trade. Always focus on a continuation trade. So just imagine how many number of entries. You'll be wondering, does that mean these things work out all the time? It works. I will show you more asset. Can you see this? And then you can see how it plays out. Now we are having a formation at this point. So I will put, this is the recent scenario. Now I've put my trend line. So what am I waiting for? This is the price. I want to see price can still continue to come down and break out. And once this happens, once this price break out to this upside, I'll look for opportunity to buy and I'll put my stop loss here. It's as simple as that. Price is above the middle Bollinger Band. I don't have any business trying to begin to look for opportunity to sell. Let me go to currency pair. Let's look at GBP USD. Look at this. This price take a move from this zone, and then here you can see that it closes below the middle Bollinger Band. It make attempt. Another easier way to do this thing is for you can even connect your trend line aside the moving average alone. Let your trend line be connected. Do you see that? So you can see that price couldn't go back up. I remember we say for our continuation trade, we want to see an engulfing candle or a pin bar. And here, look at what we are having. Look at the candlesticks. Can you see that? And all the way. So here, price is pulling back. What do? I'll pick up my trend line and I'll mark it this way. Price break out of it, I take my sell. I place my stop loss here. And you see this, it is everywhere. Now here, look at this. For more than how many days now, price has remained below the middle Bollinger Band. Look at when price came below it and it did this test. You can see how price has been going. So price is pulling back towards your moving average or even the middle Bollinger Band. You put your line, see price break, you can see this rejection from this candle, and then you make your entry. Here is another pullback. Very much simple. Now it doesn't need to be tedious or complicated to make you money. And look at here now, price has changed to the upside. I will change my pattern too. So this thing is, just count it yourself. See how many played out and how many is against you. That is how to backtest. That is how to test a strategy. That is how to believe that yes, this thing is real. This thing is working. You can see it for yourself on the chart. It will not play out all the time. But once you get it and it begins to play out, it will play out massively and it will be in your favor. I believe you have learned something new from this video. Let me hear your feedback. Backtest this and apply this on your trading chart.